So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about top 2 stocks that we need to buy right now, which may give some very good returns either for short term and definitely in long term also it will give some multi-bagger returns. So first I'll discuss what are the 2 stocks. We'll go to the screener. That is, we'll see what are the basic fundamentals of the company. We'll see how it has performed in the past quarters, and then we'll go to technical charts to find out what would be the best entry in this particular stocks. So we know that previously also have discussed top 2 stocks which is related to technological field, especially related to cloud computing, that is DSSL as well as Infobeans. So hope many people have invested in it, and definitely we can see in Telegram also have posted the screenshots. The stock is also performing very well. So further, if you are interested to know related to artificial intelligence also, so do like this particular video and also mention in the comment section that we want artificial intelligence related stocks also, so that I'll do my own research and I'll give you some best quality undervalued stocks. Okay, so do like it, and also if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so do subscribe it and also join the Telegram group if you have not done that. So quickly let's discuss the 2 stocks and then we'll go to charts. Okay, so the first stock that we are going to discuss today is Deepak Nitrate. So I'll continue the series, so don't worry about that. So today I'm discussing 2 stocks. Again in next parts, again 2 stocks. So like that, I'll keep on discussing. If you're interested, as I told, like the video and also do comment in the comment section so that I'll get complete idea that how many people are interested. So coming to Deepak Nitrate, you can see it is one of the best quality stock that I've found recently, and already I told to many people in Instagram also, people have messaged me regarding this particular stock. So nothing to worry about it. It is fundamentally very strong stock, so especially related to chemical sector, and you can see it has basically 4 segments. So coming to basic chemicals, after that fine and specialty chemicals, after that performance products, and again we have phenolics. So phenolics means like phenol, acetone, etc. to manufacturing of those chemical compounds. So that is separate field. So in this particular complete diversification is present in various chemicals. So that's why as I told, growth is almost we can say high as compared to in various regions as well. So that is very important thing. So not only in India, so apart from various countries also it has very good presence. So that's why I'm telling, so this is going to be some very good multi-bagger generator in future also. Okay, so this is the basic insight. So let's see the basic fundamental details. Okay, so the key points that you need to remember related to Deepak Nitrate is 80% of the market share is in sodium nitrate, and 60% global market share is in DSDA, and 75% market share is in optical brightening agent. Okay, so these are the 3 diversifications and major revenue generators for the company. Okay, so coming to market cap of the stock, you can see it is around 24,000 crores, and you can see current price it is near 1700 rupees, and high and low you can see high is almost 1900 and low is 458. Stock P is around 31.2, book value is almost 172, and most important thing, dividend also is given, that is 0.25%, and the most and necessary thing, that is ROCE as well as ROE, that is return on capital employed and return on equity. So you can see they stand roughly around 40.1, and face value you can see that is around 2. Okay, so everything is looking perfect. P is also very less. So basically when we compare with other chemical stocks, so they're highly in overvalued region. So this particular stock also recently it has rallied because of the quarter results that were expected. Obviously it has posted some very good result. So now let's see financials also, so that we'll have complete clarity. Okay, so coming to next important thing, what are pros and cons? So you can see company has almost reduced the debt, and you can say company has delivered good profit growth, and you can see an average of 64.83% CAGR, and company has good return on equity of almost 36.64%. So what are cons? Cons are completely negligible. You can see stock is trading at 10.31 times, so that is obvious, because when demand increases, the stock price also obviously goes up. Okay, so next if we do little bit of peer comparison between other companies, so you can see PE, the company stands at very less value as compared to its other competitors. whether it may be alkylamines, Tata Chemicals, so whatever the stocks we see on regular basis. So little PE is also decent. And after that, if we see ROCE as compared to other companies, you can see it is giving almost 40.11%, but whereas others are also giving decent but not that great. Only Alkyl Amines is almost approaching Deepak Nitrate's ROCE. So both are good stocks, so watch it. So I'm telling Deepak Nitrate in long term also you need to hold it. So should not do any sort of booking profit if you're already holding it. So we'll discuss levels also. For right now, understand that future is bright. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts of Deepak Nitrate, and you can see this is the pivot's resistance where the stock is facing little hurdle to cross it. So the level is 1910. So once it crosses that particular level only with good volume, so then only we can expect some further rally. So what is the best level? So that is the big question. So I can tell you the best level would be near 1700. Okay, so near this particular level, try to add a decent quantity according to your risk appetite and capital. And again, if it's showing any sort of correction, try to accumulate it. So don't feel that I'm having loss. Definitely it will give some very good momentum in short term as well as in long term. So try to accumulate. So that is what I can say. 1700 rupees would be best entry. Okay. And if we go to money flow index, you can see that is in little bit of highly overbought regions. That's why I'm telling, if it corrects a little bit, try to add. Okay, so don't have any panic situation. If you're already holding, hold it. And for fresh entry, as I told, 1700 or below, you can add it. Okay, so now let's go to second stock. So after that, we'll conclude the video. And further, if you're interested, so do ask me. I'll make series of videos. Okay, so the second stock that we are going to discuss today is Shalby. So Shalby is related to hospital segment, especially healthcare, and you can see the market cap of the company is around 1700 crores, and you can see current price is around 160, and high and low you can see that is around 174 and low is around 58, and stock P is around 40.8 and book value is roughly around 77.3. Dividend yield is 0.3%, ROCE is around 6.8 and ROE which is around 5.19%. So both of them are very good. Next, face value is also 10. So these are the basic details. So I think many people are not familiar with Shalby. So we need to cover entire segment. So hospital segment, basically we know about Apollo hospitals. So the way it has rallied in long term, currently it is trading in thousands levels. But this particular stock, we know recently it has been launched and not much momentum still has been delivered by it. So results are also very good. It is improving on regular basis. So that's why I felt that I need to share this particular stock. So do keep in your watch list. So once you're interested, once it reaches to the levels that we discussed, then you can have a entry. Okay, so what are the pros and cons of Shalby? So you can see company has almost reduced the debt. So I'm sharing my personally all the companies which are reducing debt and which are having some very good growth in future as well. And you can see company is paying a healthy dividend of almost 20.70%, and company, whatever cons you can see, has low return on equity since the last 3 years. Okay, so coming to peer comparison, as you can see Apollo Hospitals, which is the leader, and you can see PE of it is around 229. So it is in a highly overbought region because of basically competitive advantage. So it is a leader in the hospital segment. So definitely, so little PE also remains high. So compared to Shalby, you can see it is only around 40.82. So not completely overbought. It's near undervalued region. Okay, so next if we see ROCE, it stands around 6.83 because it is a completely small cap company. So definitely whatever return it gives, so definitely that also depends on slightly less. So nothing to worry about it, since if it covers the financials very well, definitely the stock movement also may increase in further sessions. So these are the basic details. Okay. So next, if we see financials, you can see a very good increment is present. Operating profit has increased on quarter basis, and you can see earlier it was a loss making, but consistently it has improved on that, and now you can see it has entered into a positive region. Profit before tax has also increased. Net profit slightly it is less, but considerably it will improve. So now we know situation outside is not at all looking good, especially related to COVID cases. So hospital segment will be the one sector that you need to focus. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts of Shalby, and you can see currently it is near 161.60 and it has given almost 0.84% positive movement, and you can see what is the pivot support where it is taking. So that is the 160 rupees region, and you can see resistance is around 175. So in this particular region the stock is trading, and currently also we can say that is fair enough. For the best entry I would suggest you to buy near 155 or 150. So in that particular region, if you're getting a chance, you can try. And if you're a risky investor and you can invest in small portions, so try near 160 rupees itself. So there also you may expect some very good returns. Okay, so if you see money flow index also, you can see that is near 79. So that is also in considerable region. So try to accumulate near 155, 160 depending upon your capital. So definitely you can hold it for long term. So these are the two stocks that I felt I need to share in this particular situation. And further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section. And if you want the further continuation, as usual, you can comment here so that I'll take the request and definitely I'll start searching some new stocks, and definitely you will be benefited. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.